What's going on, Wayne? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So, just taking a look at your website, seeing what's going on. So, right off the bat, we proudly serve the Philadelphia area, but right over here, residential and commercial painting services in Jenkintown. So, if you wanted to, if you're exclusive to Jenkintown, cool. If not, then we'll talk about that some other time. But right now, painting, residential, commercial, everything is great. It's a drop-down menu, free estimate. Where you can, I guess maybe it's I don't know what it is, but one of those form to submit thingies, and then your number, excellent. So you're doing good on that. You're not taking that much space, which is good. I wouldn't have it follow you as much. Um, and you have interior painting, exterior residential, and people can click on it or keep scrolling. If anything, I would have it as like a second line over here instead of it kind of moving, just so they all see it in one shot. People are very lazy. Interior and exterior painting, awesome. You talk a little bit about it. Still, again, residential, commercial wallpaper, excellent. So you have labels here, but you're not talking about what it is you do. You want it to be in this kind of format over here. Drywall repair and texturing, boom. Sentence about it. Popcorn ceiling removal. Hey, hate that pesky stuff on your ceiling. Get rid of it this way. Boom. You know, people, even if you tell them exactly how to do it, people would rather you do it for them. And then obviously who you are associated with, Yelp and Hughes. I hope you're not paying too much for them. Anyway, a little bit of movies, what our clients say about us, call. Overall, solid website. You have content, but I don't know if you're talking about the right stuff. But let's take a look behind the scenes and see what's going on. And then I was surprised by what I found, but you do have a UR rating of 26, which means you have a very strong website. You also have a DR of 2.8, which means Google only trusts you that much. So that could probably be something to do with your backlinks, because backlinks is everything to do with everything. So a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else and somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it actually comes back to you. You only have 59 of those. That's less than 10%. And again, not all of these are created equal. Some of them are more spammy than others. So, that's always something to look out for. Like a BuzzFeed or Wikipedia isn't going to help you as much as a painter's blog that actually talks about what you're doing. But then let's look at your 120 keywords because that's pretty good. Plus, you are pulling in only 16 traffic. So I don't know what's up. And I'm going to kind of point it out in a second. So you did get rid of residential interior painting. Good for you because this is an international keyword. It's not a keyword you would want. And then you are pulling some for popcorn ceiling removal PA, 70 people a month search for it, and you're getting 2 people per month because you're on basically the tail end of that page here. So Painters Jenkintown, 30 people a month search for it. You are in position 3 for that, so we will probably have to find a different thing to search for if Jenkintown isn't exactly bringing you volume. But you have the right idea. Wallpaper removal, Philadelphia, 50 people search for it. You're getting 2 because you're still on the first page, but closer to the end. You got rid of house paint or interior. Good. It wasn't serving you anyway because it is a international keyword. Anyone across the world can look for it, even someone, in Texas. Painting warehouse again, don't need that. Painters Bluebell PA, definitely 30 a month. You're getting 1. You're in position 9. Now there is a lot of small volume areas you're getting here, which is good. Harrisburg PA, 51, position 2nd page. So you have the right idea. It's just you're not hitting big stuff. You're not hitting high volume areas, and the one that are high volume, unfortunately, are just too much of an international stuff. Now, I did actually take a look at Painters Jenkintown, PA, right? Obviously, you do come up number 2 right over here, which is excellent. So you are doing well in this area as far as like just putting in that specific keyword. But if I were to, start doing variations of that, I don't know if you would pop up first. Let's take a look. Jenkintown, PA. Let's just do Jenkintown Painters instead and see what happens, right? So painting with a twist is first. Affordable Weaver, you are second in the GMP, which is excellent. So even if I do just a variation of that, you are still good. But what about drywall? Because I know that's one of your services. Drywall. I may have done that wrong. And no. So home advisor, affordable weaver. You are number 4 with that. Anyway, the reason I'm doing this, I just want to give you an idea of what's happening, what people might search for, what people might look for. Because again, no one's looking at a specific thing that you offer. No one's going to type in affordable weaver and pop up for you, right? And you do have some good organic keywords with low volume, but you do serve Philadelphia. So what you would want to do is you would want to find out all the areas you do serve, find out great keywords for those areas, and get it on your website so that you can start ranking for it. You got the backlinks. We just need better referring domains. I would say some stronger ones. Find out, like some of the other areas that, beat you out in certain keywords, what they're doing, and get what they have on you. Now imagine if you could just bring in 50 more people a month through your website. Typically, if you have a good keywords. So let's say you had 120 great keywords, you should be bringing in double to triple that. So, 240 to 360. Anyway, that's all I really got. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, I don't really got much. Like I said, content is key. Keywords are key, of course, and then stronger backlinks. But you have a good one, man. Bye.